welcome back to the channel. Friend's lawn, 2 weeks after seed. It's not done too good. We've had so much rain in the last 2 weeks. It all got washed out. So we've got patches. I've put some more seed down and I've just taken the cover off just to take the video. But it's not looking... It's end of, well, it's what, 2 weeks after I seeded, and it's not looking too good. It's all right, it's seeded in places. A lot of worm castings come up, looks like. It's so wet. It does look wet, but it is. This is just an update. Won't be an update now until the new year. This will get updated. This will be updated on the same day that I seeded it. So, and then we'll get an update then into the new year. So, hope you all had a good Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'll see you on the next one.